Peace Squad, welcome back to this series. I gotta have my tea. My name is Money Mike Fo, and I help independent artists to connect with new fans. All right. So, in our previous videos, we've been going through this series where we're throwing this faux private listening party for DJ Brandis in this faux paid show for Most Wanted. And the purpose of this is to get you guys to think more of like small business owners, because you are, as far as like growing your brand, reaching new fans, and showing you guys how to put systems in place so that you can stay more connected with your current fans and grow new fans. All right. Right now, we are demonstrating why it's imperative for you to have a CRM. We've gone over the different interest groups that we will be targeting. We've also gone over the copies. And in this tutorial, we're going to actually go through the workflow. So what happens the moment we press send, right? So we worked hard for this network. We have our copies in place. We have our targeted groups. And now we press send. How do we actually track our efforts? Like, how does this actually end up down to conversion? All right. So in this video, I'm going to go through our workflow. All right. Stay tuned. Right now, I am opening my workflow document, a little template, and I really recommend that no matter what CRM that you're going to use, that you map out first basically the workflow of like how users make their way down your sales funnel. Okay, that's going to help you as far as like tracking like why exactly am I not getting enough leads, where am I losing my leads at. There's all kinds of software that you can use, but first let's just map out like what happens to this copy during the workflow, and then making sure that we put measurements in place to retarget individuals in case they somehow leak out this sales funnel. All right, so let's walk through this demonstration. Okay, we have a few different groups that we could target, but let's just keep this simple. Let's just say that you want that DJ Brennan's is going to announce to her locked in fans, right? So you guys see the different groups that we have. And right now we are targeting, let's see, what letter are they so that I can actually tell you guys. I'm just going to scroll down to my groups. And our loyal fans are group E. So let's say that DJ Brandis is about to send out a copy to Group E, which is her loyal fans, and this is the case of an event announcement. So she's about to announce her private listening. All right, so she's now pressed send. Let's go through the workflow of what could possibly happen to this copy. All right. I had to take a tea break. I just had to. We're gonna get back into the tutorial, right? We're gonna get back into the tutorial. All right. I'm gonna All right, let's jump into this workflow. All right, so what we have is our starting point, right? So we send out this copy. All right, so the first thing we're gonna track is, did this copy actually get sent? All right, so did it get sent? We have a yes decision and a no decision. Right now, I'm just gonna go down all the yeses, right? So this is how someone actually ends up subscribed to our network. All right, so we're gonna say yes, the copy got sent. All right, did it actually get delivered? All right, so that's another data point that we're going to be tracking. Did our copy actually get delivered to each participant? All right, so we have a no, we have a yes. We're continuing down our yeses. All right, so yes, it got delivered. Did it get open? So did the user actually open that email that we sent out? Right, we have a yes and we have a no. Going to continue down our yes. Did they actually click? Right. So once they opened that copy, that email, did they click where we have this copy that says like RSVP? Right. Did they actually click that? All right. We have no. We have yes. Continuing down our yeses. All right. Now, when they click to go to that landing page, right? So we have a landing page where we say fill out this form to RSVP. So then the next thing is, did they RSVP? Did they click that RSVP? All right. We got a no, we got a yes. All right. And then let's continue down our yeses. So let's say they did RSVP. All right. So after they RSVP, did they actually attend the event? So that's another data point that we want to make sure that we're tracking. All right. And then among the people who RSVP'd, right? How many of them actually subscribe to our network, right? So we have some place for the people who are attend our listening party. In the case of DJ Brandis, once we actually got people to actually come and experience her music, or in the case of Most Wanted, we actually got people to come and just experience their music. Did we actually get them to subscribe to our network? Because that's our number one goal. All right. So we have a yes and we have a no. So those are the different places that were like the different data points that you should be tracking. So no matter what software you're using, whether you're using our custom CRM for indie artists, or you're using like a traditional HubSpot, NetSuite, or if you're starting off from scratch and somehow you're trying to track this yourself, these are all the different places in the sales funnel that you need to be tracking to understand like where exactly are you having issues. Are you just not getting enough website traffic? Or is your copy not performing well? In future videos, I will actually show you guys how you can look at your sales funnel and actually be able to tell like where exactly you have leaks. Now we made our way through all our yeses. In my next video, I'm gonna go over retargeting. So let's say, for example, we have a situation where like the email didn't actually get sent. What should happen? All right, or the email actually didn't get delivered. What should happen in our no scenarios? Like, how do we retarget individuals who fall into one of our no buckets so that we can make sure we retarget them.